viewers, yes, Relic here. I'm making porridge today, and I just thought I'd share this because in the last month I've lost bang on a stone. As you can see, I'm using just Scottish oats. There's not much on there ingredient wise, and basically I figured this is much better than a boxed cereal. I started to read chemical lists from the backs of packages, and I think this stuff's better for me than stuff in boxes. Anyway, 48 grams of just oats, and I'm going to add just around about 250ml of milk. Okay, bring it to the boil. I like mine a bit thick, so keep stirring it and bring it to the boil. Once it's boiling, turn it off, the heat off for 1 minute, just leave it for about a minute and it's ready to serve. And this is a really good slow burner, and it's healthy, and I'm enjoying it. I'm going to eat that without any sugar, without any syrup. You can put fruit in it. I might put blueberries in it going forward, but there you go. I like mine thick. You can have it thinner if you want. You can add water to your milk. You can use semi-skim milk, add a little bit of water to it if you want to cut your fats down there. I'm happy using whole milk, and I will stress I have lost a stone in around about 5 weeks. Okay, 5 weeks. So following the 16-week diet principles, it's easy. If you want to get in touch, I'm happy to share my knowledge. Alright, peace and love.